boy. Eat that up, good boy. Eat that up, good boy. Good buddy. See some more. Get that up, good boy. Oh, yeah. Here, Daddy, get you there. Get that up. There you go. Pick that up, good boy. There it ate about a half a piece. There he goes. You got that up. Hard for him to get it up off the floor. Sometimes get that, good boy. We'll pile that up. Make that like a chopper. Get it, good boy. Good boy. That's good boy. That's good boy, buddy. There you go. Want a little more? Oh, you ate about a half a piece. I'm happy with that, buddy buds. I'm happy with that. Good deal. Piss on the cabinet, I'll kill you. Don't you piss on that cabinet. You gotta go outside? Well, outside you guys. Take it slow. Come on, buds. Come on, buddy. You wanna go outside? Yeah, take care of that, Maggie. Come on, buddy. You go outside. Boom, boom. Out the dog door. Fucking 2 degrees out. How you doing, good boy? You okay? Congestive heart failure. Alright, buddy. Don't stay out there too long there, partner. Okay? I gotta come out and scoop you up. Do your thing. Yeah, thanks. Piss on the door. That's what I needed. Hey, come on. Oh, I'll buy that.